There's Jordan at Grandma and Grandpa's looking for eggs.
Help him, he doesn't see an egg, he sees the dogs.
Jordan, what's right there? Do you see that? What? Let's find more. Where are more?
There it is.
Basket's getting heavy. Jordan, what's over there? Right? Do you see that? Right there? Whoa. Put them in your basket. Put them in your basket, Jordan. Good. Bring your basket along. Where are some more? This one. Do you see? There's one right over there on
There's one in the window.
the elliptical.
Get him over by the window.
Jordan, what's
Don't show
over
him exactly, just take him over there. Little.
Jordan, what's over here? What's over here? Do you see anything? Do you see your egg? Yeah! There it is! There it is! Yay! There it is!
More, more, more.
Well, what's over here? What's say egg? Okay.
Take him over by the elliptical.
What's over here? He's catching on to this.
I was gonna say, self-taught, no lessons. We may just want to hide them again after this.
Do it again tomorrow. Every day. Oh, you're okay. Are you cold? What do you see? You're so Dorian, point to the elliptical. What's over there? What's over here?
What's he got over here now?
Yeah, the bookshelf.
Bookshelf.
More, more, more.
Come on, you gotta get your basket. Jordan, what's over here? Do you see anything? There's one more. Where? Is there another one? I see another one. There's another one.
Point, Dory. Point.
Jordan.
Show him.
Jordan, what's over there? Yeah.
Wow, you got a basket full.
There's one on the doorknob. Jordan, over there. Jordan, what's over here?
There's one more over there.
Where?
On the doorknob.
Let's show him.
Man, he's got a lot of them.
Yeah, okay.
What's over here?
We need some more grandkids.
Hey, don't look at me. Oh, there it is.
Okay, now you gotta open them up.
I think that's all.
There it is.
No, I gotta put one on the doorknob.
You got that.
Yay! Good job! That's all. Look at all the eggs you got. Look, Mommy. Look at all the eggs you got. Wow. That's a lot of eggs. Wow. They look like colors, don't they? Oh. There's one more. There's nothing in there. Nothing in it? No.
Let's see. dropped it last night.
Wow, what's inside them? Jordan? How do you open it? Money.
You're teaching him to like money, Earl.
You know how to open it? Oh, more money.
More.
What else is there?
Got one too.
You know how to find them, but you don't know how to open. There's nothing in there. Oh,
That's a dud. Go get
that's
another
a
one.
dud.
Open up another one, Bob.
Get
Give me
another
another
one.
Let's see what you got. Bring it here. There you go. Bring it here. Grab it. There you go. Bring it here.
He doesn't know which one to pick.
Bring it here. Let's see. Let's see. Is there something in here? What's in there?
Ooh, more money.
Oh. Oh, you want this one? Oh, what's in there?
More money. Wow, you're rich.
Get some more. Get some
I don't know
more.
what to do with this money. Here, let's put it in your pocket. Let's put it in your pocket right here. You have some pocket money.